Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your in-store video for the week of August the 9th to the 15th over at Walgreens. Lots of respectful, good deals in here, and we're going to cover most of it. This is such a big week, so the deals will keep popping off as the week marches on, so you can take that one to the bank because that's the truth. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big giant thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you could possibly hit the hype button, I would also appreciate that too. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could do one or both. Thank you so much in advance, guys. First deal that we're talking about is to get 4 of these Gatorade or Propel waters for 50 cents each, which is a crazy price point. You're going to grab 2 of each, and then you're going to load the buy one, get one free coupon for the Gatorade water. I have tried this. It's actually really refreshing. And then for the Propel, there's a 2 off a 2 coupon. Apologies that I don't have the visual on that. The app is acting a bit goofy. I can load, but I just can't see the coupons other than this. So here's the simple math for this. 4 of these drinks, so you need, again, that exact amount of 2 Gatorades and 2 Propels. It's going to ring up for 8. Subtracting the buy one, get one free, which is going to take $4 off. And then that 2 off of 2, that's $6 of digitals melting off. You're paying $2 for the 4 or 50 cents per beverage. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So this is where it gets a little bit confusing. This specific booster of earn 15 when you spend 45, it's today only. Last week we had a bunch of problems with it, so I think Walgreens is trying to do this workaround where you can use it for an additional day. As you see, it expires on the 10th, so like if you wanted to sleep on these deals, it's either now or never, that sort of a thing. And so in store, I don't think it's going to work for you to spend 35 to earn back 10. It's probably online only. This is what I'm tossing into a basket if you have any interest in doing this deal. The 78 counter of the Cascade with the $5 digital, which is a really nice one. One of these $15.99 Tide liquids, and we have another $4 digital coupon. And then the final item, oh no, we have 2 more items that include this $15.99 Tide Pod with a $4 digital coupon. Who gets that hyper about missing a Tide Pod? I guess that would be me. And the final item to balance out the math is a Gain Fling 31 counter for $9.99 with a $2 digital coupon. Our gorgeous chorus line here, we are using the code SAVE20 to save an additional $9.40. And then all of the other coupons melting off. Just so beautiful. We have our booster loaded. We have our total here of $61.96, subtracting $9.40. You're still at that threshold of spend 45 to earn back 15. You have $15 in digitals melting off. So with your debit card or credit card, you're going to pay $40.71 and get back $15, roughly making each item like $5-ish. Let you guys know, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or it's going to mess up your spend booster and you are limited with that specific window of time of like 1 day. So either do the deal or pass on it, and doing it curbside is probably the smartest way because I can't guarantee it will print in store if they're doing a 1-day promotion. So delighted to see this deal back of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. It's cheap this week, and I know a lot of us love Elvive. You're going to grab 2 of them at $5.49. We have a 3 off of 2 manufacturer and a 3 off of 2 store. Aunt Rach was right. That's $6 off. So grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos for $10.98, subtracting your $3 store and your $3 manufacturer, it's a 3 off of 2. So 3 off of 2 times 2 is 6. You'll pay $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're doing other deals and you have a $4 register reward, throw it into this so you're paying a lot less out of pocket. We do not get a lot of deals on this specific shampoo. If you know, you know this is a stock up price because this is magic in a bottle. Another deal I absolutely love this week is on the Dove body wash. They do have a sensitive one that I want to run off and marry. It's just so fantastic. So we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You have to load it, and we're grabbing 2 of these body washes for $16, and we're going to get back a $5 reward for buying 2. Here's the visual, guys. Here's the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these friends, it's going to be $16. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $7 for 2 or $3.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're doing the Colgate deal, the Crest deal, and you want to start rocking and rolling those register rewards from deal 1 to deal 2, I would do that for a smaller out of pocket and just to be smart about your dollars and cents, especially if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, let's talk about some quick paper deals. We have the Scott toilet paper and paper towel. I know that paper towel is a contentious thing. You either love it or hate it. But this morning we got a 2 off of 2 for both. Now, if you want to do the deal, just the toilet paper, then obviously the price point in the end will be half of what we're discussing. But it's buy one, get one 50% off. So it'll be $7.50 for the 2, subtracting the $2 coupon. So doubling this, if you get 2 toilet papers and 2 paper towels, it's $15 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Original price for each item is $5 each. So at $20 on a buy one, get one 50% off, it goes down to $15. Subtracting your 2 off of 2 for the toilet paper and your 2 off of 2 for the paper towel, that's $4 melting off. You're paying $11 for the 4, $2.75 per. Now, if you wanted to just go with just 2 toilet papers, for the amount, it would be $5.50 for the 2, still with the price of $2.75 per package of toilet paper. This Brawny deal is absolutely fantastic because these rolls are very, very sizable. So if you do not like Scott, try this. You will be so happy. It's what we use in our house. We currently have a $1 off 1 for the Brawny. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward. So they sometimes do this. I think it's a Georgia Pacific company, so they're really being generous this week. It basically makes it a buy one, get one free. So 2 of these friends would be $12.98. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $11.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Hey, the Herbal Essences stylers, so the mousses or whatever they might have, gels. Currently it's on this promotion that when you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward with a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. It's only attaching for the Herbal Essence, not with the Aussie. Aussie's also on this promotion with a 3 off of 2, but Herbal Essence is the better one to grab. Grabbing 2 of these for $10. Subtracting that 6 off of 2, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $2 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per can of mousse or gel or whatever. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal considering we don't get a lot of deals on like stylers. The next deal I absolutely love this week is on the Axe Brick deodorant. It's on a promotion that they are one get one 50% off with a $3 reward when you buy 2, and we have this magic attaching. So grabbing 2 of those bricks, so the stick deodorants, 2 of those friends is $11.23 at $7.49. Buy one get one 50% off. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $4.23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.23 for 2 or 61 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, so the Degree deodorant, we have a very high value digital coupon that's an 8 off of 2 for these. So if you can find 2 of them, load this coupon. 2 men's at $5.49 each would be $10.98 for the 2. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $2.98 for the 2. Considering the cost of one deodorant right now, if you look at like any of the ladies or men's, and yes, women can wear men's deodorant too. It's so flippin' expensive. This is one product that's like almost like doubled in price. It's so expensive. I would definitely stock up on these 2 deals, especially if you need deodorant with back to school. Another great deal is the $5 Colgate brush and paste. So for this one, let's grab 2 of the mouth rinses. We don't get a lot of deals for mouth rinses. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and these mouth rinses are $5 each. So if you wanted to do the paste and the mouth rinse, 2 different transactions because the register reward will only print once per transaction. So you'd have to break it up into 2. But grabbing 2 of those mouth rinses, it would be 10. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. 50 cents is definitely a stock up price. Final deal that I have prepared for you is on the Listerine, and we're looking for these products at $3 a pop. It is this product called On-the-Go. It's the smaller one. It's not this 15 counter, but they're $3 each. It's just a little mouthwash in a tube. That sounds great, especially after, you eat something really heavy with garlic or onions. So 2 of these would be $6. Throw it in your purse. Why not? You're getting back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of these. It makes it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, guys, I made a couple videos in the last couple of days where I found, I think, maybe like close to 400 or 500 penny items at the Dollar General. They're still out there. Even last night around 6 o'clock, I went to a store and found 62 penny items. If you are interested in penny shopping, I'm going to link a couple videos right here. You might want to check it out. If you consider some of these items we're finding, cleaners, Lysol, Tide Pods, it's all fantastic items. So check out the video linked right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Again, this store for the penny items, Dollar General. Bye, guys.